Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2021 Alliance Paradigm 372RK. Rear kitchen, but all one level in the living area, kitchen area. You got master bedroom with a king size bed up front. Great floor plan. Let's get started. Take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip of the slides in so you can see what you're doing, don't have access to when you're going down the road. Also, remember, give me a quick thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. The bell will give you a notification every time I put a new camper on. Be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. So make sure you hit that bell. Also, look down in the description. I'll have all the weights, holding tank sizes, options, some links to other videos. If you're looking for something a little larger, a little smaller, different brand, those are listed down below as well. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV. All right, standing towards the front, looking back, you'll see the opposing slides, rear kitchen, your two-tone cabinetry, your lighter cabinets in the kitchen area, darker down low. Theater seats directly across from the TV. Sofas across from each other. Tons of countertop space. Large gas electric fridge. It is a rear kitchen, but we're going to start towards the front. Going up the stairs to the master bedroom, bathroom area. That's where we'll start, in the bathroom. Large walk-in residential shower. The bench. Foot flush toilet. Nice countertops in this shower. I am 6'5", but got plenty of room standing up in here. Nice shower setup. Stainless steel sink. Storage in this is going to be down low. Good spot for a trash can. Again, soft close cabinets and drawers. In your hallway, you're going to have some storage here. You'll probably utilize this for some towels and stuff because there's not as much storage in the bathroom. But you can use it for the bedroom as well. Dimmer switches, so your bedroom lighting. Ducted AC in here. A bench on either side. Nice dresser. Storage underneath. Receptacles everywhere. Hidden storage. Under this king size bed, you do have storage. That's where you can store the 2 chairs for the dining room table. We'll take a look at that. Charging areas on both sides of the bed. Tons of storage. Blackout shades. Nice closet up front. This is where your washer dryer would go. You do washer on the right, dryer on the left, or all in one. Nice hanging area. Nice barn style doors to close off for privacy. Moving back the hallway to go downstairs, you got windows, again, roller shades. As you come in, your convenience area, control your slides, your lights, your awnings, check all your holding tanks, all in one convenient area. More dimmer switches, your thermostats. You have 2 non-ducted ACs, living area, kitchen. Ducted AC up front. You're going to get a nice, quick, cool dump area in these 2 locations. Very efficient. Your TV, you're looking at the smart TV, entertainment area, Your stereo's got Bluetooth, HDMI, all in one area. Speakers. You've got a electric fireplace. You see the bungee cords. What you gain here, if you pull from the bottom, is storage from behind the fireplace. So nice hidden storage there. We'll take a look at both the sofa and love seat opened up so you can check out your sleeping area. All right, both beds opened up, both trifold sleeper sofas. You're gonna sleep one adult here. You sleep 1 to 2 here. But you got plenty of room to walk through, get to the bathroom, get to the kitchen, no problems there. Setting them back up, very simple. The backs fold. You've got adjustable legs on the bottom. They drop down. Utilize that Velcro, and your cushions hold right in place. So very easy setup and breakdown. You've got recliner theater seating here directly across from the TV. In the slide here, you got blackout shades, overhead storage. We saw the 2 chairs that are folded up under the master bed, but you do have 2 more chairs. Storage underneath, receptacles throughout. Very well lit. Again, we mentioned the 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator freezer. And the kitchen area. Again, tons of countertop, tons of space. Residential oven, 4-burner range. Lots of natural light with the windows. Lots of deep drawers. Under the sink, again, a good spot for a trash can. Nice large sink, that roll up flush mount cover. Extended spray head. Again, soft close cabinets. Exhaust fan. Nice large microwave. In the storage area, all right, so another nice feature, your flush slides, carpetless, no floor vents, so your heat ducts are in the cabinetry. Not getting any pet hair or anything in those. Very nice 2021 Paradigm 372 RK. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see the Alliance front cap, LED lights across the top, Rotoflex King box, nice storage area, hydraulics for your leveling, battery disconnect, battery box, your power cord. Prep for a generator would be the cage and the holes punched out, but this is where the generator would go. Your docking lights outside. Speaking of your auto leveling, here are your controls here. We're looking at a dry weight of 12,338 pounds. 2 30-pound LP bottles, 1 on each side. We'll look at the other side when we get around there. Wide open storage. Your docking area has got your water hookup, pull valves for your black and gray tank, outside shower, winterization. You got motion sensor lighting. You got an easy access panel for winterizing to get to all your water lines. It's a nice feature there. You don't have to unscrew anything. You can just strap it back into place. You see well insulated, clean, motion sensor lighting on both ends. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Backside of your hot water heater, your furnace. There's some of those leveling jacks. Your sewer hookup. Nice deep slide. We did equip this with awning toppers over your slide outs. You also have the LED light outside. Moving farther back, your rear jacks. So it is a 6-point auto leveling. While we're at the tires, you are looking at 16-inch tires. We are looking at a rear kitchen, so you've got a rear gray tank as well. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Okay, looking up on the roof, 3 air conditioners, top of your slide toppers. You got your prep right here for your solar, your skylight, TV antenna, another roof vent. Very nice roof. You are prepped for a backup camera. You do have a receiver on the back. We are looking at a 300-pound hitch weight. Again, awning toppers. Power awning on your slide out as well as the wall on that side. So you have 2 awnings giving you a little bit more patio area. Receptacles outside. Crank here would be for your spare tire. You've got the solid step Lippert 4 entry step that folds right up into the camper. Nice large extended assist handle. 372 RK. You've got outside spray port as well, so you can spray those steps off. Quick connect for your LP, and then your large other side of your storage. You got a hookup for a TV, another light. Again, slam latch doors, and there's the other 30-pound LP bottle. Outside speakers. You got LED lights in the awning. Very nice. 2021 Alliance Paradigm. 372 RK. All right, as promised with the slides in, you are not getting into the kitchen. I guess technically you could go under the table, but no easy access to the refrigerator. As for the bathroom, you got full access to get into the bathroom. You are not getting in the bedroom. So with slides in, no problem getting in the bathroom, but the rest you gotta do some work.